So yeah, you are going to be doing Excel as far as exporting things there, reading things from there. Maybe a little bit of computation, like using VBA or things like that. That's more rare, but it's not unheard of. So yeah, it doesn't hurt to be able to do a little bit in Excel, if anything, just for conveniently shipping data back and forth, right? Excel is kind of convenient for that, right? But yeah, I mean, as crazy as it sounds, you probably are going to be using Excel. I'll tell you what, you can, just to kind of tie the conversation together, you're going to be using Excel a lot more than you are calculus on a daily basis. So the next time somebody, you come across these influencers who tell you about the math, just tell them, no, thank you, I'm going to go learn Excel, because that's probably more beneficial for you in the real world of data science. All right, guys. So I'm looking at my clock. Instagram is going to cut us off in a minute here. I'm sorry that I didn't get to all of your questions. An hour is just not long enough on Instagram. I wish they could change that policy. But really glad to see all of you here. I hope that I provided some value for you. Please click on the like and subscribe and the viewer that you're watching. But really appreciate you being here. Stay motivated, stay focused. Again, I think there's reasons to be optimistic about the job market. But I hope that you are well in your part of the world. Please take care of yourself. Please be safe. Please keep your family safe. And I'll see you next time. I stream again on Sunday, 1500 GMT. But thanks again. I'll see you then.